When it comes to shaping, smoothing, or carving hard materials like metal, stone, or wood, carbide burr tools have become an indispensable part of any craftsman's or machinist's toolkit. Among these, there are two primary types: single-cut and double-cut carbide burrs. Both have their specific strengths, but today, let's focus on the advantages of using single-cut carbide burr tools and why they might be the right choice for your next project. Single-cut carbide burrs are designed with a single set of right-handed spiral flutes. This means that the cutting edges spiral in one direction, creating a uniform pattern across the tool. The most immediate advantage of this design is its exceptional ability to remove material quickly and efficiently. When working with tough metals like stainless steel, cast iron, or hardened steel, single-cut burrs excel at taking off large amounts of material in each pass. This aggressive cutting action translates to faster job completion, especially when you need to reduce thickness, deburr heavy parts, or shape rough surfaces. Another significant advantage is the smoother finish that single-cut burrs can provide in certain applications. Because the flutes are all aligned in the same direction, the tool produces long, continuous chips rather than small, broken ones. This creates a cleaner surface and often reduces the need for additional finishing work. For machinists who value a polished look or who want to minimize secondary processes, single-cut burrs can be a valuable ally. Single-cut carbide burrs also offer increased stability and control during heavy-duty cutting. The consistent spiral of the flutes helps guide the burr smoothly along the work surface, reducing vibrations and chatter. This stability is particularly useful when working on large, solid pieces where precision and control are essential. The tool bites into the material cleanly, making it easier to achieve straight cuts, deep grooves, or well-defined channels. Another notable advantage is the reduced tendency for loading or clogging. Because single-cut burrs create longer chips, these are more easily cleared away from the cutting area. This continuous chip removal helps keep the tool cool and sharp, prolonging its life and maintaining performance over time. In high-volume industrial settings, this means less downtime for tool maintenance and more time spent on productive work. Single-cut carbide burrs are also preferred for applications requiring high stock removal rates. When faced with a large burr, weld seam, or casting mark, these tools can quickly grind down the excess material, saving both time and effort. Their design makes them particularly well-suited for heavy-duty tasks, such as porting engine heads, deburring castings, or smoothing welds. For anyone in automotive, aerospace, or metalworking industries, the speed and efficiency of single-cut burrs can be a decisive advantage. Additionally, single-cut carbide burrs tend to generate less fine dust compared to double-cut burrs, which produce smaller chips. This not only creates a cleaner work environment, but can also be beneficial for operator safety, especially when working with materials that pose inhalation risks. Finally, single-cut carbide burrs are often more robust and longer-lasting when used properly. Their simpler flute pattern means there are fewer delicate edges to chip or break, especially when used on harder materials. This durability translates to lower replacement costs and greater reliability in demanding conditions. In summary, single-cut carbide burr tools offer several distinct advantages: rapid material removal, smoother finishes, increased stability, reduced clogging, high stock removal rates, cleaner work environments, and improved durability. For anyone looking to tackle tough, heavy-duty tasks with efficiency and precision, single-cut carbide burrs are a smart and dependable choice.